Okay, I've removed the service cover on the back of the motor, and you can see two of the brushes. There's one there, and there's one there, and then there's two on the bottom that you just can't see. You loosen this screw to reverse the motor. You can actually slide this whole brush assembly back and forth. Right now, you can actually see this little mark right here in front of my thumb. There's one that corresponds to it right in front of my thumb on the silver part right here. You can hear me clicking it. That is set right now for 15 degrees before hard neutral. Right now the hard neutral mark is right here in front of my thumb on the silver part just in front of this black thing. And right now for where it's set, so you can see which direction it was spinning. Okay, I'm going to loosen up the screw. I'm going to move the brush assembly to 15 degrees after hard neutral. So here's hard neutral, the mark's right there. I don't know if you can see it or not. Try zooming in. Nah, it's kind of hard to make out, but you can trust me on it. And right here we're at 15 degrees after hard neutral. Now why do you want to go 15 degrees? Because that is where the motor is going to have the most torque. And now you can see it's spinning the opposite direction. That's how easy it is to reverse a repulsion induction motor. They're great. And now I'm going to set it back to where it was. Right there. Okay. This motor's also got a really cool centrifugal switch. I don't know if you can see it or not, but down in there there's like 20 ball bearings. You can see them in those slots. And they push on a spring, and you can just make out the spring right there. And what that does is it shorts out the commutator where the brush is right on, which pretty much shuts off the brushes. This is not a brush lifting motor. They stay on the commutator at all times. But it's just a really well built, and it's a very neat motor. Well, make sure I got this tight. And I'll show you one of the slip rings. I just loosened up this cover right here. And right down in there is a slip ring oiler. It rides right on the bearing. I'll turn on the motor. And you can see it spinning around down there. What it's doing is bringing oil from the oil well below the bearing up onto the bearing surface. Neat motor.